In this lesson, I am going to explain you documentation style for research papers, and we are discussing MLA style. MLA style is Modern Language Association of America. Suppose if you are writing a report or a research paper and you want to write down in MLA style, so you have to follow these 5 steps. These are very important steps in order to write down the MLA style. The first step is that all text in the research paper uses 12 points, Time Roman or similar font. I told you that whenever you open the Word document, by default you will see here font size is 11 or the font is Calibri body. According to the MLA, you have to make it 12 from here, and the Calibri, open this and Time New Romans. And again, one of the most important thing is whatever operation you want to do or whatever formatting you have to apply in your document, first of all you have to select the document. If you will not select, you cannot perform any function. So see this one, if you want to make it 12, you can make it 12 from here, and same thing here. And then is the double space the entire research paper. Double spacing, you have to go to the paragraph group, and then this is the spacing, so this is the double spacing 2. These are different spacing, but according to MLA you have to click on this 2. Why I am not clicking here? Because I have to show all these things from normal as well. Then proceed the page number. Then how you can write down the page number? So you have to write down the page number on the upper right edge here. First you have to write down your last name, space, and then page number. This is the style for MLA. And the fourth point is the first line of each paragraph in the research paper is to be indented 1/2 inch. What does it mean? Suppose if you have 10 paragraph, if you have a 5 or 8 paragraph, first line of each paragraph, not on lines, only first line. So from where you will set this 0.5 indent in the ruler, can this one, there are two, see, two, one is this first line indent, there are two triangles, so we have to take this first one and we have to set on 0.5, but I am not going to apply here, I am just showing you, we will do in the next slide. The last is remove paragraph spacing from the entire document, from where you have to click this one paragraph, and we do not have any here. If you will see here, remove the paragraph spacing, you have to click, otherwise no. So these 5 points, right? If you have your report 5 or 10 pages, if suppose you are doing again and again 12 Calibri Time Roman, so instead of doing this, just right click on this normal home tab in styles group, this is the normal, and right click. When you will right click, you will see this modify button, click on this modify, and then from here you will see Time Roman. Here is the 12 point only in this document, right? So this is already check mark is there. Click on the format paragraph, and then from here is the line spacing, you have to make it double. This space you have to 0, and then you have to click, it will apply to your document. And MLA documentation, few more things. MLA documentation style does not require a separate title page. This is one another important thing, that there is no need for the separate title page for the research papers. Only you have to write down your name, your instructor's name, your course information, due date in a block at the top of the page. Here you have to write down below the header at the left margin. Do not write down on the right margin. You do not have to write down in the center. On the left margin you have to write down, right? So now I will show you these 5 points as well as this. So I have already made a document for you. This is the document. First of all, I will show you how to set the header. So click on the insert tab. From insert you have to click this header. In header and footer group, click on header, and then edit header, this one. See, your insertion point is here, but sometimes you will notice that your insertion point is blinking here. So you have to go on the home tab, because it says according to MLA it should be aligned right. So this is the aligned right. You have to bring your insertion point here and write down your last name Press the space bar and then click on the design tab. Click on this in header and footer, page number, current position and plane. So this is one, and then close it. So this is the header. You have to write down on the right hand side. First you have to write down your last name and then page number. Same format automatically will apply to the rest of the pages. And then you have to set, see, this I told you 12, so this is 12 time Roman, right? It is time Roman, but Calibri is also fine. And then click this double spacing. This is the double spacing. You have to remove the paragraph spacing, so there is no need to remove it. So this is the MLA style. And then the last and very important thing is that each paragraph should be zero point 0.5 indent. So we have to use the top one, not the bottom one, top one, and this is zero point 0.5, right? So you will see now that this is the first paragraph, second paragraph, third paragraph, and so on. Each paragraph, the first line of each paragraph is zero point 0.5 indent, and there is a double spacing, time New Romans 12 font. So this is the MLA style, and this is the header Aziz 1. If you want, you can see on the page number 2 Aziz 2. Similarly, you will see Aziz 3, 4, and 5. So in this lesson you have learned how to use MLA style in order to write down the research paper. If still you have any question regarding the MLA style, you can write down in comment section. But please do not forget to subscribe to my channel Saima Academy. Thanks for watching.